With that.
I don't hear you. I mean, they talk to. I want more. Come make a best test well. I said, come make a best test
well. Hey guys, good afternoon, and how are you guys doing? I don't know if this is if this is a start of a fresh vlog about my house. Yeah, you guys, I posted a video before of Ask Auntie, and I finally got one. So the one I got is part of the videos that I posted, the first Ask Auntie video, because I think I still have a few ones to post. Yeah, so I finally got a house, which have paid. Like, I think I paid like 2 weeks ago. It's today I'm doing everything. So I went to the market to get cotton. I think actually vlogged. I think I just did a little clip of it. So I got cottons already, bought paint yesterday, you guys. So I'm inside the compound and I'm so tired. Like, no left. It bright. Just everywhere. Hey Bless Farms, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, according to the time you will see this video. Yes, you guys, how are you guys doing? Whew, it's been a journey. It's been a long time coming, you guys. Yeah, so you guys, I finally moved into my apartment. I moved in yesterday. Like, I moved in like 4 days ago, but I finally slept in this house yesterday. Yes, so I've been up and about. I woke up, cleaned the room again, and I swept it yesterday when I moved in. I moved in at about 7 to 8 p.m. So before I packed in, I swept again and mop. But this morning, I just, rearranged my things, and I also swept and mop. Yeah, so I swept the room, mopped the room, the corridor, is it the passage? How do you call it? Yeah, I'm supposed to be looking at this place. So I swept the passage, the kitchen, and I also mop. It's remaining the living room, and the living room, you guys, is empty. There's nothing in the living room yet. Nothing there. There's no couch. I have a TV, but I haven't brought it in. Yeah, so but now the living room is just empty, and it's late right now. It's about, let me check the time. So you guys, the time is after 3 p.m. and I need to go to the market to go check this thing here for my window. Can you guys see it? So I want to go get it so I can fix my curtain. So I went to the market. I only bought curtains for the room. I haven't bought curtains for the living room, but the curtains I have last 2 years, the one I brought from Dubai, I've just fixed it there, not properly fixed. I just hang it on the wall. So for now, that living room is just gonna be there for now until I figure out what to do to the living room. So I want to go get the hook for the curtains and probably go to my mom's place to go look for something to eat. You guys, it's after 3. I only ate one cracks and this mineral. So yeah, I'll first of all go get the stuff before I go to my mommy's place, because I don't know when I'm gonna be leaving my mom's place. You get what I mean? Yeah, so that's basically the update. There's no closet here. I don't have a wardrobe yet. This foam, as you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see that here. So the foam is for my landlord's wife, so I'm getting it from her, but she hasn't, you know, we've bargained. I'm not sure if she has agreed to the amount I told her. So hopefully later in the day when I comes back, we get to agree. So if she agrees to the amount I told her, I'll pay for it. But if she doesn't, I'll give it out for her and go get another one tomorrow morning. So today is Sunday, you guys, and I've just been up and about. Whew. The light here is not, I don't know if I should say the NEPA supply here, like the power supply here, I don't know if I should say it's not stable or what. I don't even know. Yesterday, throughout last night, they didn't bring the light, you guys, but now they brought it. They've been bringing the light since 1 p.m. They will bring and take, and yeah. So my cooking gas, my kitchen is okay. I fixed the things there. I need pepper, maggi, and all of those things that I'll be using to make food. I already have my few pots. My cooking gas is in there. So yeah, that's basically the update, you guys. I'll be taking you guys along. I've not done so much with this room. This room is still pretty much empty. Yeah, so you guys, next year will make me 1 year in Nigeria, and I'm just getting an apartment. It's not like I didn't want to get this apartment for a long time. I think I will do a proper video for you guys, but yeah. I'm hungry, like I'm really hungry. So this is what the room looks like, okay, you guys? Please do not judge me, okay? I'll just be putting things in place one after the other, but let me just show you guys what the room looks like right now. Voila. So you guys, this is the room entrance. When you open the door, this is what it looks like. So from here, I'm going to turn the camera for you guys to see, okay? And here comes. So this is what it looks like right now, you guys. Like I said, I haven't done anything. I just moved in last night. So this is what the house looks like. In here is my bed sheet. This plastic here is my bed sheet. Then there, that carton there is my cream crackers, like my biscuits. I have my wine, my water, and these are my luggages, okay? This is my luggage. I have this luggage. Don't mind this thing here. I don't know what's that. I'm gonna clean it off. That's my other luggage, and this here is my other luggage. So in here, I don't know, like I still have few clothes here. Like these luggages are filled up. I don't know how to do that or how I'm going to treat that clothes there, but I just left it there for it to be there. Down there is my blanket, my duvet. Yeah, in here is my bags, some of my bags. Some of them are staying in my mom's place. I didn't come with all of them, so but these are the few ones I came with. This one, just as you guys are seeing here, with the ones on top of the luggage. And this is what the house looks like. So this is the curtain I got. I haven't fixed another one here because of the hook there, so I'm gonna go get it right now, like I said before. And when you turn from the window side, here is where my bed is, like the bed, just as you guys are seeing. So everywhere is messed up. So that's my pillow. I came with this pillow from Dubai. I bought it from Dubai. And these are some of the clothes that the whites there, I want to soak them because I just, rearranged the luggage. I don't know what's wrong with that bed there. So yeah, I want to soak those clothes there. That's my wrapper, my face mask, my nose mask, because it's Harmattan and it's really, really breezing right now. So these are my clothes. These other clothes, they are not my size, so I want to go I want to take them to my sister. So that's the bed sheet that comes with this mattress, but I'm going to give it to them later and all of that. That's my phone patch. So this is what the room looks like, you guys. Yeah, so there's nothing much. So you guys, just as you guys have seen, that's what the rooms looks like right now. So yeah, let's go out now and go get the things I need. So I'm going to my mom's place to go get rice because we have rice, like we bought Christmas rice. Today is 22nd, so yeah, I'm going there now to go get some of the things I'll be needing. Yeah, I'll need rice. It's not like I'm going to be cooking today. I'm not sure if I'm going to be cooking tomorrow either. So I also want to take my cylinder as well to go feed the gas because there's no gas in it. So yeah, I think the only time I'm going to be cooking is on 25th of this month, which is on Christmas Day, which I'm not even sure, but yeah, I'm still going to be going there to go eat until I put myself together. Yeah, so you guys, that's pretty much it. I think this video is already getting too long. Let's go. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be leaving my iPhone 12 Pro Max in the house. I'm not going to be taking it. I just want it to be charged, like fully charged, so when I get to my mom's place I can you know, charge this one. Yeah, this one I'm familiar with. Yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, good morning. How are you guys doing? Welcome back to this vlog. Welcome back to the continuation vlog of yesterday. Yes, you guys, so I just woke up this morning, and you guys, I can't wait to be giving you guys good morning, as if nobody I can't wait to be giving you guys that content. You guys know the other curtain is not fixed yet, so yeah, it's gonna be fixed this morning. And I also the bed is also a total mess, so I finally met my landlord's wife yesterday, so we've agreed for the price of the bed, which I'm gonna be paying her later in the day. And also I didn't fill the gas yesterday because the guy who fixed gas doesn't open on Sundays, so I didn't fill the gas. The hook I said I was gonna buy, I didn't buy it as well because my friend told me she has it at home, so there was no need of me getting it. So I called her this morning to bring it for me. I'll go get it this morning and beg somebody to come help me nail it on the wall, and that's it. So yeah, I want to quickly wash my clothes. Like I told you guys yesterday, the clothes I told you guys I was gonna soak, I soaked it yesterday when I came back from my mom's place. So I'm gonna be soaking it. I'm gonna be washing it this morning. Sweep this room. I'll sweep this room. Maybe I'll just leave this room, not sweep it, because maybe when it's nailing the wall, some of the wall can crack and drop on the floor. So I'm just gonna leave this room now. I'll go wash those clothes, cook noodles. I brought noodles from my mom's place, so I'll make noodles now to eat. And I want to go get chicken. My friend asked me to go to the brother's place to go get chicken from them. Chicken, fowl, Christmas fowl. So that's where that's what I'm doing this morning. So I just want to hurry up and do it this morning because I told my friend before 12 I'll be at the brother's place, so I don't want to spend so much time. I just want to quickly do all of these things. The white that I soaked is not really dirty, so it's just I think I just saw it stay from them, and I just let me wash it. So yeah, you guys, let's go straight to the bathroom. Yeah. So you guys, these are the things I brought yesterday from my mom's place, and let's unbox it together. Oh, okay. My twin sister, in case you guys don't know, I'm a twin. So my twin sister got joggers. She got 3 joggers, so she gave me one. In here, I brought rice. So I didn't pack much because yeah. This groundnut oil and noodles. This is the curry I was telling you guys about. This curry here. guys, I'm done. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm sorry for the noise. So, you guys, I'm done. I just finished taking my shower. Like, I'm all dressed now. And I'm heading out. You guys, I didn't make the noodles again. And honestly speaking, I am so hungry. But I forgot that I haven't filled the gas. So, I'm heading out now to fill the gas. I will just drop the cylinder at the gas station there. Then I'll head over to the place where I said I'm going to get my Christmas chicken. Yeah, so that's basically all for this vlog, and I'm ending it here. I want to say a very big thank you to you guys. If you watch up until this time, thank you so much. I love you guys. Please do well to hit that subscribe button, because this is a new life. This is a new me. Please do well to subscribe, like, share, and I will see you guys in my next video. For now, bye.
Hello?